this is really crispy, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to make a very crispy fried chicken. I started off, as you can see, my chicken is washed, dried. Then I added salt, added Maggi. That Maggi is no. I added it to it, then I mix it. I gave it a proper mix. Then I went ahead, I open it up. I open it. Why I did that was because I want the chicken to marinate properly. So I open everything, I cut everything up, and salt, Maggi should be added moderately. Mine was just a teaspoon of. Just add your salt and Maggi appropriately. So I then added another chicken. Then I gave it a mix. I added my 1 spoon of curry, 1 teaspoon of curry, 1 teaspoon of thyme. Then I mix it. As a proper Nigerian woman, I added blended chili to it. You can add paprika to yours, but as a typical Nigerian woman, you know we love chili. So I allowed that to marinate for about 15 minutes. Then I start to fry. I fried, this is flour. I mix my marinated chicken with flour, and I did this for all the 5. I start to fry. I did this for all the chicken, and I left this to fry. As a Nigerian, if it were to be some other people, you can actually turn it and just fry for about 10 minutes. But I allow this to fry till it gets brown, because I want my chicken to at least cook properly. So I fry this, and that is it. I fry for about 25 minutes. As you can see, it's well cooked. You can see crispy, cooked. You can have yours with just ketchup or mayonnaise, but I had mine with fries. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a blessed life. Please subscribe if you've not.